Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm presenting Hazardous Household Materials Disposal in the city of Edinburgh. My name is Jesus Montoya, and I'm glad to bring this topic to you guys. So, many common products used in our homes contain chemicals that can harm people, animals, and the environment if they thrown away in irregular household trash. These materials are called household Household hazardous waste, or HHW. Examples include paints, batteries, motor oil, pesticides, and chemical cleaners. If any of these items are not correctly disposed of, they can leak into the soil, contaminate water, release toxic fumes, and even cause fire. I've been reaching that the city of Edinburgh provides specific guidelines to help the community for safer throwing or disposal of these hazardous containers. Some items that we are not supposed to be throwing in our regular trash cans are the motor oils, the paint, the batteries, pesticides, propane tanks, electrolytes, electronics like electric ones, and the medical waste. These items must be handled separately because they contain toxic or flammable components that are require special disposal method. And the city of Edinburgh is doing a great job providing a good standards or guidelines to be able to help our community to proper management these items. For example, for the motor oil, contains heavy metals and chemicals that can contaminate groundwater and poison wildlife if spilled into the landfills or storm drains. The city of Edinburgh provide proper disposal by using the motor oil. If we take them to the auto shops that participate in the oil recycling programs or the Edinburgh Resource Recovery Center located at 3102 South US 281 Business, Edinburgh, Texas. This facility accepts used oil for proper recycling and disposal. Another one that is really common in our community or really common in the houses is the batteries. Why? Because we are used for everything. It can be for the control, it can be for the mouse, for the computer, it can be for even for toys. If we have babies, we have kids, uh, we use a lot of batteries. And the batteries contain toxic materials like lead, mercury, and lithium that can leak into the soil and water and in this posing health risks. The proper disposal by City of Edinburgh or the recommendation by them is dropping off batteries at designated recycling centers or participant stores. Some stores can be Target, Walmart, or even HEB. These resources this resource recovery center also accepts certain types of household batteries to prevent them from entering to the landfill. Another item that is really common in construction or even in our house when we're gonna do a remodeling. It can be paint or paint thinners. And these are dangerous as well because they contain harmful chemicals that release toxic fumes, and paint thinners are highly flammable. Improper disposal can pollute water system. The city of Edinburgh can safely dispose of leftover paint and solvents by taking them to resource recovery center on designated drop-off day hazardous materials. So, in my conclusion, hazard household waste cannot be thrown away with regular trash cans because it poses serious risks to human health and the environment, including animals. The city of Edinburgh and the city residents must follow proper disposal guidelines to help keep air, water, and soil clean. The Edinburgh Resources Recovery Centre provides a safe option where items like motor oil, batteries, and paint can be taken for the proper treatment by the following By following these disposal practices, our community can reduce pollution and protect our environment for future generations. And that's pretty much it. And thank you so much for seeing my presentation. Have a great day.